Hi, I'm Tony from Q's. We're a Versalift dealer as well as a service center, and I have a 2023 Ram 4500 behind me. It has a 6.4 Hemi gas motor in it and an automatic transmission. The boom on it is a Versalift boom. It's an SST-36. It has a 40-foot working height, 370 degrees non-continuous rotation. It also has a ladder rack on it and the B&G body. The bucket capacity is 350 pounds on it. So let's take a walk around it and I'll show you what it's all about. It's coming around the driver's side. There's a ladder rack on the top right there. For your ladders, here's what the front compartment looks like. Some shelves in there that are adjustable. There's the middle pack. So it's safety harness in there, extinguisher, triangle. Rear compartment, there's some hooks in there for you to hang some stuff on. Walk around the back of the tail shelf. There's a trail hitch on the back. There's your bucket. There's a step up to the rear. Some handles to hang on to. Here's what the back compartment looks like on the utility body. There's a middle compartment. Here's the front. It's an inverter in the front and the battery as well. They also have a couple of compartments for your wheel tracks. So the bucket has a walk-through door. What the controls look like. There's a manual bucket rotation right there. Walk around the front and we'll show you the inside of the cab, what this truck has in it. So you have power locks, power windows. The truck has cruise control, air conditioning. That's what the console looks like. There's a third row seat in the middle. If you're interested in this truck or have any questions, give us a call at 800-258-1010. My extension's 250. My name's Tony. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'll even send you a free quote with the truck all spec'd out on it and a cost. Thanks for watching.